How to pay for Spotify Premium. So as of right now, I am currently on the Spotify.com, which is on my account page, and my plan is Spotify free. So you can click on this manage your subscription, and then after that, you can see in here this. So click on this join premium option. So the offers that you have actually depends on the country that you have as well. So on this right here, I have the Philippines as my country. And you can see in here some plans. We have in here the offer of 75 pesos for 3 months of premium. You can get this offer right here. You can click on this view all plans in order to see what the other plans is there. We have mini, which is for 1 week. We have in here the offer, which is 75 for 3 months. Family for 239 for 2 months. This is actually just the offer and it changes after a month as well. Now, in order to pay for that, you can head over and choose in here which you want. And then after that, scroll down and then just choose in here your payment method that you want to use. So that's how you pay for Spotify Premium. Hope you help.